the earth here is stubborn. This red Kansas clay didn't want the iron, clinging to our boots as if trying to hold back the future. Every inch of steel we lay is a promise kept to a nation, but a debt whispered to the ground. My name is Samuel Carter. I stand at the edge of what is and what will be, watching the horizon grow smaller with every strike of the mallet. Before me, others carve this path. I see them in the morning mist, the dreamers and immigrants who traded their lives for a rail line. They are the foundations of this bridge to tomorrow, their voices lost in the clanging of metal against stone and sun-baked earth. This land was once a sea of grass, silent and profound, where the only rhythm was the heavy, thundering heartbeat of the buffalo. But the silence is a fragile thing. Now slender poles rise like skeletons, and barbed wire stitches the open plains into jagged pieces. With every spike driven home, the wild retreats. I can feel the natural world flickering, replaced by the rigid geometry of man's ambition. Where there was once only the wind, there is now the sound of saws and the chatter of commerce. The frontier is vanishing. We are building something grand, they say, but I wonder if we are simply trading a soul we understood for a machine we don't. When the sun dips low, the heat of the day lingers in the rails. We huddle around low fires, sharing stories of home. I often walk the tracks alone in the dark. The iron is cold now, but it carries a hum of vibration from a distant, oncoming force. If you press your palm to the rail, you can hear it. It's the sound of a world rushing toward us, relentless and unyielding. Towns rise overnight. Wooden frames become brick bastions. What took a lifetime to grow is paved over in a heartbeat. The air is thicker now, smelling of coal smoke and progress. The quiet of the West is being drowned out by the engine. And then she arrives, the iron horse, breathing fire and hauling the weight of a new era behind her. The light of the coal fire flickers across my face. It is a terrifying beauty, this machine that rewrites the map of our lives. The railway is a silver vein, pumping the blood of industry across the heart of the wild. It connects us, yet divides us. I am a witness to this change. A man with one foot in the red clay and the other on the steel track. Progress has arrived. The frontier is gone. And all that remains is the long, straight road we built with our own hands.